Hola clase, hoy es el 26 o el 25 de enero. Today is the 25th or the 26th of January. Hoy es lunes o es martes. Monday or Tuesday. La pregunta de asistencia es, ¿qué color eres tú? What color are you? Now that's a little bit of a interesting question. Aquí en el video, un anuncio de Samsung, an ad from Samsung in this video. It's just about a 30-second video that you can watch by clicking on my slides and going in and clicking on this video link. We can quickly review the colors: verde, rojo, violeta, naranja, blanco, y azul. Now we can review these adjectives. Many of them are cognates. Or here we see that the Spanish ad has borrowed an English word, cool. Y espontáneo. Cool y espontáneo. O espontánea. Cool and spontaneous. Apasionado, apasionada. Passionate. Juvenil, juvenil, youthful. Optimista, optimista, optimistic. Pacífico o pacífica. That means more like peaceful, cool, calm. Elegante, elegante, elegant. So if I ask you, ¿qué color eres tú? I'm really asking you, how would you describe yourself? You can answer in two ways. Yo soy rojo, meaning you are passionate. But you could say, yo soy rojo porque yo soy apasionado. Yo soy roja porque yo soy apasionada. You might choose a different color and a different adjective. Muy bien. Okay, reminder of the tarea. It was definite articles, making sure that you're practicing using your definite articles accurately with number. Is it singular or plural? And gender. Is it masculine or feminine? Okay, this is the main slide to focus on for today's activity. We will have a summative next class period, but you don't really need to focus on that right now. Right now, the focus is reviewing everything we've done this quarter in these simple 4 activities. Actividad A, B, C, y D. Again, we're looking at conjugations of ser, question words, articles, definite and indefinite, and classroom and school vocabulary. Now, this is not homework. This no es tarea, okay? This is just a review. So you will want to do this review and then check your answers. This is self-guided and self-paced. So check your answers to activities A, B, C, and D by going here. Finally, activity A is a listening activity, so you will need to open up this audio file to complete activity A. Okay? Next class, we will do the summative, and that is the description of Maria. If you remember in the pre-assessment, I will guide you through that during the class period. You do not have any homework this week. This class period is spent reviewing. Next class period is writing as much as you can about Maria in the class, and then you are done. Gracias. Have a great day.